Hazrat Abu Huraira and Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid Johni radiyallahu anhu said, a desert Arab came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for Allah's sake, decide between us in accordance with Allah's book. The other one, who was more sensible than him, said, yes, decide between us in accordance with Allah's book, and allow me first to present the case. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, speak. He submitted, my son was a wage earner with him, and he committed fornication with his wife. It was said to me, your son will be stoned to death. So I ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave girl. Then I asked the scholars. So they said to me, your son will be awarded 100 lashes and banished for 1 year, and this woman will be stoned to death. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I will settle your affair in accordance with Allah's book. The slave girl and the goats will be returned to you. And for your son there is a punishment of 100 lashes and an exile of 1 year. And O Ones, go to that woman in the morning. If she confesses her crime, stone her to death. The reporter says, in the morning he went to that woman and she confessed her crime. Thus she was stoned to death at the behest of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2724 and 2725.